Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter number 1, that is evolution of computers, on page number 6. Every aspect of our life in this present era has been influenced by most advanced machine known as computer. Now we know that nowadays everywhere, wherever we can see computer is used, so it is being used everywhere in our life. Initially means earlier, computer was only used by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. Now they are saying that earlier when computers were introduced, those were used by scientists and engineers only. Only they could use it. For doing the complex means difficult calculations, expensive means very costly. Those computers were very costly also. But nowadays computers can be afforded by small organization and even individuals. Individual means we all. We all can also have computer. Afforded means we can buy. खरीद सकते हैं हम computer. Means small organization means like our school is also having computer, or some bank, or anywhere wherever it is being used nowadays. Computers have now become a basic necessity because of their use at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, industries, schools, homes, space technology and research, railways, airports and so on. Now we know that wherever we go, whether we are going to airport or railway station or hospital or bank, we could see computer is being used in each and every field. Now we are going to study about computer word, means from where it is made. The term computer is derived from the word compute. Only R is deducted from here and it means calculate. It was used for earlier calculations only. But a computer is not limited to perform only calculations. A computer is a versatile device. Versatile means multi-skilled, or you can say multitasking also. Multi-skilled device means it could do many things at one time, applications at the same time. Like one side we are doing painting, other side we are listening to songs also, and third thing we are taking printout from the printer also. So at one time computer is doing so many things. Multi means many tasks it is performing at one time. Do you know how computer came into existence? Existence means कैसे computer आया था हमारी life में. The present day computer is entirely different from earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computer. Now here they are saying that earlier computer were used only for doing the calculations. Only for calculation they used. Now they are saying let us glance. Glance means we take a look through the milestone. Milestone क्या होते हैं भी कैसे इसने अपनी जर्नी इस ये वाला कंप्यूटर बना. क्लियर. पहले ऐसे वाले कंप्यूटर थे, वेरी थिक वन. After that thinner one computers. Now we are having very small computer that could come in our hand also. Next one is here evolution means advancement. Advancement also you can say, or you can say progress also. Means how the computer does progress. What is the journey? That is known as evolution. Evolution means पहले कंप्यूटर कैसे थे जब बने थे, अब धीरे धीरे कैसे कैसे उसमें चेंजेस आ रही हैं. That is known as evolution. Next one is history of computers. The need to keep track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from abacus, the first calculating device, many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Now they are saying that first time when which calculating device was invented, that is abacus. Abacus is known as the first counting device which were used in the history of computers.